Trying to survive in this nasty Texas heat? Tired of your clothes sticking in places it shouldn't be? Tired of your nasty nalga cheeks sticking together? Tired of feeling like you're melting and your eyebrows are falling off? Well, now there's a solution. Mangera water, fresh from your backyard. Mangera water comes fresh from the reservoirs of Calaveras Lake, straight in your backyard, now bottled by Bean and Cheeseman. Find your fresh Mangera water at a local store near you. Mangera water, the fresh maker.